Oh no. Atangan mo taba. Guys, so we're going up to Jardine's lookout right now, and we went to we passed to this path where a very small path where we don't know where it's going. I mean, it's just there are some ribbons and stuff, so we just took it. And yeah, according to the map, we're going to Jardine's lookout. But here is my first time seeing a quarry here in Hong Kong, but not as big in the Philippines though. I don't know, what do we call this? Here, see rocks, big rocks. Yeah. Oh, so we can pass there. Yeah. So the plan is we're just gonna follow this path, and according to the maps, we're going out close to Hong Kong Trade Center. This should be easy, but we're still planning to go all the way to go out at Wan Chai and go down there. So I don't know how long it's going to take, but it should be fast. If we can get there on time, if we're gonna push through to go all the way to Wan Chai, I think we're going to finish when the sun is down. And here again, down here, still along this path, very nice view. Apa? Naik kanan? Naik tao? There's some people going down too. So we're going up there, and look at the rocks. So we passed there, down there, and from this side, this is your view. Amazing view. Really nice view. Kowloon side, IFC Central, very nice. Okay, let's go up there. That's my dad. So you can see there are ribbons over here. So that's where we're going. So because there are two ways here, on the left and the right. So we're gonna pass straight here where there are ribbons. lot of climbing. Very sketchy again. And if you don't wear hiking shoes, it would be very difficult to climb up here. It's already 5 and we're still climbing. The sun is right down, almost behind the mountain. I don't think we can go all the way to Wanchai, because if we will, we have to go down there, go around the mountain, pass behind that tall building and exit down there. So let's see how it goes, because we're expecting for it to be flat and it ended up all climbing here. This is our path. It's quite tough, but I think we're almost there. Let's go. We're here, guys, at the summit, and look where we passed. When we came up, it's there. It says Danger. And this is where we passed. And coming up here again, the harbor view, which is very nice. And we need to keep going. Whew. Here the signage. So this is the Hong Kong Trail, Wilson Trail, so not far. And to the left is going to Mount Butler, because if we took the first stairs that we saw earlier, I don't think I caught it on video. I think we should have gotten for the easy route. So yeah, so we're just heading to Wong Lechong Reservoir right now. And there's more to like. So up here, as you can see, there you go. That's Titan Reservoir, Red Hill, Dragon's Back right there. Yeah, it's really cool. It's really cool. Nice view again. Look at that right there. Very nice. I don't know what this is here. And we're almost done. And this is what we see. Grenadiers of Canada. These mountains here in Hong Kong are very historic, especially during World War II. So as you see, there are Hong Kong was invaded by the Japanese, and actually this place from where we are walking right now was invaded 2 hours after when the Japanese came to the harbor. So yeah, it was quite quick, but the Japanese overpowered the allies, or the British and the Hong Kong people. And this is the entrance of the Wilson Trail, Hong Kong Trail. Oh no. Tama naman ba? Look, there's another one right there. Oh, we've been surrounded. Shoo. So maybe we can pass here, going there. We're surrounded. There's another one there. Another one there. Then, yeah. Oh, thanks. Yeah. Ayun! Saan siya nga? There. Oh, those people were also trapped with us. Yeah, so we just finished our hike. There's only me and my dad today. And look at the sunset. That's Long Island. Okay, that's it for today's raw vlog, and we'll see you next time. And please, if you enjoy the content that I'm making, please do like and subscribe, and please hit the notification bell so that you will get notified every time I post a new video. And guys, thank you so much for the support, and ciao, bye.